Welcome to this exciting Alphaland adventure, Episode 5, The Letters Catch Germs. Enjoy the adventure. One bright and sunny day, the letters of Alphaland decided that they were going to venture out into a faraway desert. Excited for this adventure, the letters eagerly gathered at the Grand Library, their hub for learning new things and discovering new adventures. After a long journey, the letters arrived to the desert. The letters couldn't help but marvel at the beauty of the dunes and the shimmering heat that danced across the horizon. But their excitement soon turned to concern when they stumbled upon a peculiar sight. A group of tiny creatures scurrying around on the sand. Intrigued yet cautious, the letters approached the creatures, only to discover that they were germs, microscopic organisms that could cause illness and disease. The letters had never encountered germs before and were both fascinated and alarmed by their discovery. Determined to learn more, the letters decided to observe the germs from a safe distance. They watched as the germs multiplied and spread, realizing the importance of understanding these tiny but very interesting creatures. As they continued their journey through the desert, the letters encountered various examples of how germs could be transmitted from contaminated water sources to unclean surfaces. Each encounter served as a valuable lesson, teaching the letters about the importance of cleanliness in preventing the spread of germs. Some of the letters' curiosity put them in danger, and along the way, some of the letters fell ill after coming into contact with the germs. However, they quickly rallied together to care for their sick friends, offering comfort and support until they all recovered. Armed with this newfound knowledge, the letters devised a plan to protect themselves and others from germs. They learned how to wash their hands thoroughly, cover their mouths when they cough or sneeze, and to avoid touching their faces with unwashed hands. As they finally made their way back to Alphaland, the letters reflected on their journey with a newfound appreciation for the importance of hygiene and health. They realized that by working together and sharing their knowledge, they could help themselves and their community stay safe from the spread of germs. And so, the letters returned to the Grand Library, ready to share their discoveries with the rest of Alphaland. From that day forward, they made a solemn vow to always remain vigilant against germs and to educate others about the importance of practicing good hygiene. Well, that concludes another Alphaland adventure. I hope you enjoyed Alphaland Adventure Episode 5, The Letters Catch Germs. And remember, always wash your hands and always cover your mouth when you cough and when you sneeze. And don't touch your face with unwashed hands. Hello, have you subscribed to Teaching Preschool A to Z with Mrs. Andrea? No? Well, no worries. All of the links for the social media are right up there. Click one, pick one, and you're going to learn something. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.